So the first channel that we are going to focus on is Quora. You may heard of it before. It's a platform that people who have questions, they will come and ask questions, and people who have some knowledge about those questions, they will come and answer them. Now, here is a great opportunity. If you are a person who do not have any ability to bring traffic to your website, you do not have a lot of connections, let's say 1,000, 10,000 followers in any social medias, Quora is a great place for you to start to bring traffic to your web page. So how you can do that? You can simply come on Quora, create an account, and Quora will ask you that in which areas, in which fields, which topic you are knowledgeable, right? Let's say right now we created a web page for SEO, right? So I can come here and I say, I know a lot of things about SEO. So what I can do with that? When I say that I have some knowledge about SEO, Quora will start to show me the questions that people ask daily about this topic. And what I can do, I can go to these questions and just write my answer. Now remember that you cannot spam, because if you just try to spam on Quora, they will understand, they will remove your answers, right? So what you should do, just spend some time, like for example 15-30 minutes every day, and just answer 2-3 questions. Really answer them, and at the end of your answers, write down the web page of the address of your web page, and invite people to read more on your website. Okay, this way, for example, someone come on Quora and ask for, let's say, what is SEO, or how I can make a keyword research for SEO. I can go there to the question and answer, write down 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph answer about that question, and finally at the last part I can say, hey, if you want to read more about SEO and learn more about it, here is my web page, and you can visit there and you can receive more information. There are a lot of great benefits here. One of them is that you are creating a backlink here, right? Later, search engines will value your website, your web page more and more in the search result. This is 1. 2, you are bringing traffic to your web page, and this is not just one person, because right now maybe this person had this question. Tomorrow, maybe 3 other person has the same question, and what they do, they will go on Google and search for this question to see if they can find any result. And what will happen? They see this question on Quora. They click on it, they come and read the answers, and they will see your answer. Then they will come to your web page. So if you just try to do this every day, let's say put 15 minutes, it's not gonna hurt you much. 15 minutes, 30 minutes spend on Quora, find good answers that you can work on it, you can answer them really good, and then invite people to your web page. Do that for some time, for a month, for 2 months, and then these answers, for example, in 2 months, you can more or less answer 100 to 200 questions, right? And these 100 to 200 questions over a year will bring a huge number of traffic to your website, right? This is a very great way if you are not, if you don't have access to a lot of people on social medias or anywhere else, if you don't have a great email list, this is one of the great ways that you can start today and build your traffic. And also you are building backlinks, which is also great for your web page. So that was all about Quora. And also when you start answering questions, Quora will send you emails, right? They will inform you, they will notify you, hey, for example, in this topic that you are good at, there are these 3 questions. Can you answer them? But they will not spam you. If you stop opening Quora, they will stop sending you emails, right? So that was all about Quora and bringing traffic, building backlinks from Quora. On the next part, let's talk about social medias and what we can do with that, right? So that was all. Let's go for the next one.